Oh, hi guys. Jon Scieszka here. Say, listen, I'm down in my bunker and underground workshop, and I wanted to let you in on a little secret of what I'm working on for the Rabbit Hole Whole Lotta Time Design Challenge. You know, the one where you take a picture book, turn it into a great exhibit? I got a couple ideas. Don't spread it around, okay, though? I've been thinking about one of my favorite books, I Am Papa Snap and Other No Such Stories. I mean, there's the stories in here that are just amazing. Stories like Bunny Bunsen Brittle goes fishing. He has no permit, but who cares? There are no fish. What an exhibit that would make. All he needs a boat and a bunny, maybe a fishing pole. Or, here's another thought I had, Go Dog Go, one of my favorites. Because what's better than a bunch of weird colored dogs driving around in cars? And then, spoiler alert, having a giant party in a tree. Yeah, I'd probably have to make a tree though. I'd have to color in a bunch of dogs. I got some Sharpies though. I could do that. That'd be tough. No, you know what? The more I think about it, the more I think this is probably the one. Vegetables in Underwear by Jared Chapman. Because guess what? It's vegetables. And I think you can probably guess what's going on. They're in underwear. They're in little underwear. Vegetables in big underwear. And this is where I could use my secret weapon. No, not this one. Not this one. Oh, this one. Giant underwear. I have a pair of giant underwear that I got from the Rabbit Hole, signed by Dave Pilkey himself. Wow. How good is that? All right, guys, check it out. Go make your own exhibit. Think about it.